There was a video I posted about getting a tablet, and that tablet was from email. So, and when I submitted the particular video to them, they told me that they loved it, but the problem was that the light was reflecting, which is my ring light, which is this one I'm using right here, was reflecting on the particular screen of the video, of the tablet, which might seem a little bit disturbing for some people. And I did understand, and I also told them that okay, I was planning on getting a new gadget for filming because I'm a small content creator, I'm a student, and I also do part-time work, so but I can't cover everything on the course. So kind of enough, AliExpress was, really in the know. I don't know if although I did sign up for their influencer campaign, whatever, and they reached out to me and they told me like, okay, hi Lina, would you like to, check out some filming gadget? Like, wait a minute, who are you? So I was like shocked, and they sent me these two. I've kept the other one the other side. This one I didn't turn it on. It does work, but I just wanted to illustrate with only one of these. So they sent me this. I don't know if you guys can see. This is not a field light. This is more like a filming light. So it does capture look. This is the light from my headlamp. Let me turn it off so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now this is the light from my ring light. Let me turn it off also. As you guys can see, everywhere is dark. You can't really see me. Now this is the light from this, and one thing about this is that with this particular button right here, I can also change how it looks. So this is just one of the lights. So imagine if I put all the lights at once. Look guys, you guys should look. Now if I put this light right here, you can see that it does work. Now let me turn on this light back. So one thing I also want to mention is that it came with this. It came together with these tripods. So these are the tripods it came with. Let me show you guys. And I love this because I thought that this was going to be like all those wobbly tripod that they make with all this nonsense steel, but funny enough, this particular one was much better than the tripod I used for my ring light. It was much sturdier. Plus, I noticed, but look, this is not steel. This is like real iron. Although it's not like it's quality, but it's much better. So these are the tripod. Right now, I think I have this tripod up to I think 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have it up to 4. So these are if you are shooting your videos, you put this tripod on, then you connect it and you're good to go. And I love this because it's also pocketable, which means you can put it in your backpack. It's shorter than the one from my ring light, and you can start filming and use this. So if you guys check right here, there is like an opening, right here that you can use to connect the tripod. So it does work. Also, it came with, I know some people are wondering, like, it doesn't match this mount, sorry. So it also came with these two bolts that would help you when you're trying to connect them together, when you're trying when you're trying to put them together or clip them together. It does help. So let me open the other one. So right here you can see it came with this ball pin head, I think that's what it's called. So right here you can, if you want the ball pin to be very loose, you can tighten a bit for you to be able to control how it fits. And let's say, for example, I'm to like put this on, I put the ball pin, I connect it. You can direct it to whatever, you can direct it to whatever tilt, stand up, bend, up, down, whatever position you want. And then if you want to extend, just spread out the legs, turn around, just do it like this, and look, bada, you're good to go. So this was sent to me by AliExpress. Thank you, AliExpress, for sending out this to me. I really appreciate it because this is going to help me a lot in my content creation journey. And if you guys want to get this, because this is one of the highest, I think, rated on AliExpress, so people that bought this, we are so appreciative because it's something that you buy and it doesn't immediately wash up like some brands. So if you guys want, you can get this for yourself. As you guys can see, it works both with, you can even connect it via your maybe this power bank if you don't have, maybe if you live in a country where there's not a lot of light, and it saves you energy. So that's just all. Check the link in my description. This is from AliExpress. This was sent to me by AliExpress to review, and I also got this one together with it. So I was hoping to, like, whenever I'm making a video, to put this as my background key light. What I love about this is this light, this particular one, it does have like a little bit of, I don't know if you guys can see it, like there's a screen at the back. So that's what I love about this, and it does show you the battery percentage, and in here you can see the power button. There's power button here which you can also use to control the different modes of the light, and then here is the dim, whereby you can increase and decrease the how many percentage of light emanates. And then here is the charging cable. Now this is very nice, and it's pocketable. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your bag if you're creating content on the go. And this one I also love because here it has like how many buttons, 5, and then with this switch, this one is for on and turning it on and off, sorry. And this is the RGB. You can see the, like, it's written here, the CCTK, the FX, the charge, the input and everything. This is the USB-C cable, which is very, very nice because since everything is nowadays is USB-C, you don't have to keep thinking, oh, I'm going to be changing chargers, which is, you can use this charger that has 2 or 3 in one head to charge everything at once. And this particular section you see here are places that you can attach to your camera. This one also has that here. Once you open here, you see it. And then on this particular side is where you can attach it to a tripod. This one also has this, and the other one, which is this one, it came with the extra, this one right here, it came with this extra thing that you can attach also to your tripod, which, like here, right here, you can attach it to your camera if you want. So it just depends on what you want or how you prefer to attach this. So I really love this because it gives this it gives my background a kind of YouTube vibes. I don't know if I'm correct with that, but you guys will see on my other videos that I'll be uploading very soon. My desk setup or my background is going to change, and it's thanks to this. So if you guys want to buy this product, check the link in my description. It will be there, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.